Do you hear this bird over there? Breep, 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 breep. This bird. It moved farther away. Moved farther away. This bird was like starting to scream like this 4 to 5 minutes ago. I was like listening to it. It was up this road there. I was like, oh crazy! Why is this bird doing this crazy? Why is it screaming at that? And I listened for 1 minute or so. Afterwards, I go duck in the bushes. Just below this road here. It starts over there. Let's see. There's this road. After I listened to this bird 1 minute, I was like, oh man, there's something going on. I was like hiding under there. Nice little spot. Not even their dog picked me up. Man. Rushing by. I'm back. This great area. A lot of people know I told you last time. And you've been just encountering, and you just encountered 2 elderly women with a dog rushing by, not looking left or right. And the birds told me before, that's awesome. I really love that. Yeah, I'm back here, and I just went over these gravel beds. You can't see them actually anymore. Let me see. Some tracks again. Oh yeah, here. You see all the trees in there? All the trees are just piled up with this gravel. And that's because of all the landslides. There's heavy rain, like I told you, in the early morning. It's about, I don't know, maybe 3:30 in the afternoon. And I'm going to see if I can find those mouflons for you. Maybe we were able to do some video footage of them. That'd be great. Saw them today, early morning, and let's see. Let's hope for the best. Take care. See you soon. Woodpecker. Just move to the other side. Couldn't pick up which one it was. Didn't look that familiar. Crazy head, you. See if we can get another shot. La Luna's already here. This little guy is still hacking away. It looked like a three-toed woodpecker. I don't know if it's called in English, but it's called birdlanguage. He has a yellow hat on his back. And, I saw a green woodpecker once here, but never saw these. I've been watching him for, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes now. See, the sun is gone. The battery of my camera will be empty again soon, so I don't know if I'm able to capture those mouflons, but I'm definitely going to try again tomorrow morning for you. And for me, this is real good medicine to be out here. Being able to watch this crazy woodpecker going through it. Yeah, let's see what happens. I don't know if you can see this. This is what I call cozy bed. Nice mosses around here. And you see these depressions in there? I'm pretty sure some animal laid in here. Had a good night's sleep. You maybe can tell by the droppings what kind of animal it was. Yeah, the sun is almost gone now. There's one bird I'm going to search afterwards. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can bring you the mouflons, if I can capture the mouflons on camera, but I'm just again stoked on what I just what I just lived through. It was just amazing. Got this woodpecker going on, a lot of tracks down there, and then this amazing, I have been the witness of this great language of nature, actually. The birds are always telling you what's going on and where there's something going on or someone's coming, whatever. As you saw today, going out in the forest is really amazing. You know, collect your own stories. Go out there and search for the story yourself. And if it's a bad, you just imagine this animal live here, and sit here, lay down, and having a good night's sleep in this grass and this moss. Oh yeah, nice. Oh, I love it. I did hear this before. And while you're in these adventures, going out in the woods, searching for stories yourself, don't forget to involve all of your senses. And if you feel a little cold, get a jacket and some gloves on. That makes it more enjoyable. Otherwise your mind won't be letting you hear. This little voice inside your head is always like, in the back of your head is like going, oh man, it's really cold here. It's really cold here. You should go home. You should go home now. It's really cold and it's getting dark now. But on the other side, you're enjoying an adventure, and so, gloves and a jacket will make this little guy in your head disappear for a while. Let's see what's going on further up. It will soon be too dark for my camera to pick anything up anymore. So I think I'll leave this story part 2. Keep this one short, as short as it gets, and leave you with this mountain view.